Hello everyone, my name is Madhav and welcome to Gyanshala Masti. So today we will be talking about hydroponic farming. So what is hydroponic farming? We always grow plants in soil, but do we actually need soil to grow plants? No, we can also grow plants in water. So we do not necessarily need soil for the growth of plants. We just need the nutrients that are present in the soil. So, what if we put the nutrients in water and then grow the plants? So, we can do that by hydroponic farming. So, let us talk about it. So, in hydroponic farming, basically we take a plant and then we put it in some nutrient based water medium and then we supply oxygen to it. So we put appropriate nutrients and give it appropriate sunlight so it grows. So uh, like the soil was the nutrient medium and now the water is the nutrient medium. So let us talk about various types of hydroponic farming. So first is the very simple one. It is deep water hydroponic farming and you can even do it at home. So basically you take a plant and then you take a plate kind of thing and you make a hole, put a net into it and put the roots of the plant and then keep the plate in a bucket of water which is like kind of big and put it in that, and we need to put some appropriate nutrients in the water also so that the plant can grow. So basically in this we just put the plant in a net and then we put it in nutrient medium water and give it sunlight so it grows. So this is the very basic one, and then we put a air stone which supplies oxygen. So now the second one is aeroponics. So in this, as you can see, air is coming. So in this, we keep the plants in air and we supply water from below like a sprinkler system. As you know, in farming also there is a sprinkler system to reduce the amount of water used. And in this also we can reduce the amount of water by putting the nutrients in water and then spraying it on the roots of the plants. Now third is the wick system. So in the wick system we take a wick which is like the candles wick uh, which we light on fire. That one wick we put it in some nutrient water and then we take a stand in which plants are planted and then we attach the wick to the soil in that plant, in the pot of the plant, and then we put it in some we put the wick in some nutrient water and then the nutrient water provides the uh, nutrients to the plant by the wick. And next is the NFT. So it is known as the nutrient film one, and in this we take a slanted tube, we fill it with nutrient water and we connect it to a pipe which also contains the nutrient water. So it goes as a process kind of thing. It goes round and down and it only provides a sufficient amount of nutrients needed by the plants. So no water is wasted and also excess nutrients in water is not provided to the plants. So hope you like this video. If you liked it, please share it with everybody and please subscribe to the channel also. Bye.